This is the very homemade solar panel mount, as you can see, on the veranda roof. See what the chickens are up to, noisy bitches. See the cabling. As I say, I had some conduit, ordered some conduit. It was obviously too short, so it only starts there and then it goes around, bear with, around the corner here, all the way down along here. I need to clip it to the wall properly, all the way along the side of the house, and then down, if you can see that, into the garage there. So it's kind of, should be a fairly neat setup once I've fixed it to the wall. Made a bit of a rookie mistake, and I need to change the end on the negative cable. It's got a male connector, it needs to be a female connector, all the way around, I can't remember now, so I'm just going to grab the cable, pull it back and see if I can fix that now.